Playtime means something different nowadays at one school in Monmouth County. The playground was becoming a haven for bullies and a giant source of stress for some students. So Wolfhill Elementary in Oceanport decided to introduce a new program at recess. News 12 New Jersey's Carla Roth takes a closer look at the concept known as peaceful playgrounds.
Between the hours of 11 and 1, I probably had anywhere between 6 and 8 children in my office on any given day. So I realized there had to be a problem. Kids were having lots and lots of conflicts out here.
Principal Renee Bonin says those conflicts at Wolfhill Elementary School during recess have been cut in half. Thanks to peaceful playgrounds, the program gives students several activities to choose from instead of playing one giant game. Kids don't have to sign up, but they are asked to have a plan for their 20 minutes of free time. The idea is to provide something for everyone and to every level.
Which will mean that more kids will get their hands on the ball, and then they're all happier.
Children are taught the rules to the activities to reduce conflict. A little paint also converted the blacktop into several game boards.
Football has also changed. You used to see one child running with the ball with perhaps 30 children running after him or her. Now only 8 kids are allowed out on the field at one time. It's a game of continuous passing. They can't run with the ball.
The school nurse says she's seen fewer injuries.
It just seems to be more controlled. They're not running in gangs and, as a big pack.
After playing, kids are also asked to reflect on how they have played with others. In Oceanport, Carla Roth, News 12, New Jersey.
The parent-teacher organization paid to have an educational consultant come to the school and teach the Peaceful Playgrounds program. And from